Whether you're an author who wants to take creative control of your own book covers, a graphic designer looking to branch out into a new niche, or a Procreate enthusiast eager to explore the world of publishing design, this class is for you. Hi, I'm Donnie. I'm an author and digital artist, and I've been designing book covers professionally for over 25 years. I've had the pleasure of working with best-selling authors and major publishing houses, helping bring their stories to life visually. In 2020, I discovered the magic of Procreate, and it completely transformed how I work, designing high-quality, professional book covers right from the comfort of my sofa. Total game changer. In this class, I'll walk you through the full process of creating 2 different fantasy-style book covers using Procreate. We'll explore composition, typography, brush techniques, and how to make your cover look polished and market-ready. I'll be using a custom brush set, and I will include a link in the description so you can follow along with the exact tools I'm using. Once we finish the covers, I encourage you to jump in and create your own version or put your own spin on it using the techniques you've learned. So grab your iPad and stylus and let's dive into the world of book cover design.